Imagine studying for years for a government job and then discovering that the biggest question isn't whether that you clear the exam, but whether the examination itself can be trusted. That's exactly what is happening in Jharkhand. The government has agreed to cancel 14th JPSC preliminary examination and two backlog examinations. Three JPSC members have resigned, and ED has now entered the investigation, and yet students are still on the streets. Why? Because their biggest demand remains the same, that they want a CBI investigation. The controversy centers around alleged irregularities in recruitment examination conducted by JPSC and JSSC. The immediate flashpoint was the 14th JPSC Combined Civil Services Preliminary Examination held earlier this year. The state CID began investigating the alleged irregularities and searched JPSC's related locations. The investigation has expanded significantly. According to the New India Express, by August 9, 90 people had been arrested in connections with the alleged recruitment irregularities. Those arrested include the people linked to the examination agency TSR Data Processing Private Limited or TDPL, as well as JPSC staff, candidates, and the alleged middlemen. And here's one particularly important detail, that TDPL had reported being blacklisted by JSSC in May 2025, yet was later selected to conduct JPSC examination. That is now one of the issues being examined by the CID. After multiple rounds of negotiation, the Jharkhand government made several concessions. On August 9, it agreed to cancel the 14th JPSC preliminary examination, a JPSC backlog examination held in 2023, and another backlog examination held in 2025. The government also proposed a fast-track court for examination irregularities case with charge sheet targeted within 90 days. It proposed an expert panel involving institutions such as IITs, IIMs, and XLRI recommend reforms to the recruitment system. And for the JSSC CGL controversy, the government proposed a committee headed by a retired High Court judge. The government says that it has accepted around 98% of the students' demand, but students strongly dispute that number because the biggest disagreement remains unresolved: a CBI probe. Student leaders say that they don't have enough confidence in a state level investigation and want the alleged irregularities in JPSC and JSSC examination invested by the CBI. They are also demanded cancellation of JSSC and CGL examination. But the government says that it cannot simply cancel CGL because the examination and subsequent appointments are connected to the court directions. Instead, it has proposed an independent monitoring mechanism headed by the retired judge. So the deadlock is basically this, that the government states that we have cancelled exams, ordered investigation, and proposed reforms. But the students say that without a CBI investigation and actions on GSSC CGL, the core problems remain same. Then comes another dramatic development. On August 9, all three serving JPSC members, Ajita Bhattacharya, Anima Hansda, and Jamal Ahmed, resigned with their resignation accepted by the governor. This came after the CID had summoned them for questions. The investigators have reportedly examined the decision surrounded by the examination agency's data security and the conduct of recruitment exams. The former JPSC chairman resigned was questioned by the CBI. And now there's another major development. On August 10, the Enforcement Directorate launched a probe into alleged irregularities in several Jharkhand recruitment examinations, including JSSC and CGL. The ED is examining the matter under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act or PMLA based on the state CID, FIR, and other complaints. But remember, an investigation is not a proof of guilt. The allegations still have to establish through investigation and do the legal processes. And this is why the Jharkhand protest is bigger than one cancelled examination. For an aspirant, an exam isn't just a three-hour test. It can represent the years of preparation, coaching expensive, repeated attempts, and sometimes a large opportunity to enter the government services. So the real question is no longer simple, will the exam be cancelled? But the bigger question is, can Jharkhand rebuild a trust in its recruitment system? And then the government say that it is investigating and reforming the system, and students say that they won't stop until they get an independent CID probe. And now, with the CID investigation, ED probe, and 19 arrests and the resignation of all three serving JPSC members, this controversy has entered a much bigger phase. So what do you think? Should the government order a CBI investigation, comment below. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such updates.